Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to our garden guitar Oliver Tree. This fun little dude. There are many of him, at least in his videos. Anytime we're gonna look at him, he's copied himself many times. That's fun and nice. Yeah, whatever. This song is called With You. So a calm, easy song to play as well, pretty easy. So let's take a look at this one. No need for any capos, so we're going right into the chords here. Gonna play the D first, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Then we have this D chord, but with a C sharp in the bass. What I do, I play like this. So I just add from the D chord here, I just add the 4th fret on the A string and incorporate that. If that is too hard for you, I really pretty much play on the bass strings for this one, so you can release the last there second E string if you wish, if that will be easier for you, because you're gonna really hit this bass mostly on this chord. You can hold it like that, you can release this one, you can also place the bar here on the 2nd fret on the E, B, and G string, then add the 3rd fret B string with one finger there, and then you have your ring finger or so, your little pinky on the 4th fret A string. There are different variations there, but remember the bass here, this is where the action happens, so be careful about that string down here, the last string is not that necessary for this chord. Anyway, that's the D C chord. Moving on here with the B minor. That's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 2nd fret and you bar all strings except for the last E here in the bass. So 5 strings from bottom up, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Next chord is the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have A next. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have E minor, and that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And then finally, I believe that's the final chord, yes it is, that's the F sharp minor. So that's a bar chord, you place the bar on the 2nd fret, and you bar all strings there. And then you add 4th on A and 4th on D. So there you have the chord, guys. Now let's take a look at the strumming pattern. So D is the starting chord, grab that one, and you're gonna play down, up, clap, up. So that is one round. So down, up, clap, up. Okay, you can play that, and I suggest that you do that, but you can also play just 4 downs. This is more emphasized on just the playing, not the rhythm. So 4 downs will be just like that, and you can go either way. For the pre-chorus later, I really suggest that you play just the 4 downs here actually, but for the rest of the song, I suggest the rhythm with the clap there. So down, up, clap, up. Okay, that's what I would do. Anyway, let's take a look at the verse. And you're gonna play 1 strumming round per chord. And the chord progression will be D, then the D C, then the B minor, and then G. Like I said, 1 string around per chord, and I'm gonna play that for 4 rounds, that chord progression. So 1 round will be or with the just downs. Oh, sorry. All right, so a little bit fast there, but anyway, I think you understand. That is the chord progression there. 4 rounds of that, and that takes us to the first pre-chorus. Now, like I said, I suggest that you play just the 4 downs here. You're gonna play B minor for 2 rounds. That means in total of 8 downs. So 1 round is down, 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 down. So you're gonna play that times 2 for B minor. Then A, 2 rounds. Then E minor, 2 rounds, and then G, 2 rounds. you play that for only this one and only chord progression there. So it will be like this. Right? And that takes us to the first chorus. The chorus here, it's played in the same way as the verse play to begin with. You're gonna play the verse play with the down up clap up, which I prefer as a strumming pattern for 3 rounds, okay? So the D, D, C, B minor, and G. And 1 string round per chord for 3 rounds, so. And then after that, you just end with F sharp minor 2 rounds and G 2 rounds. That is the ending of the chorus. All right, then you're gonna go back to play the second round here. The second verse played in the same way as the first one, no changes there. And the same goes with the second pre-chorus and even the second chorus there. So no changes there in the second round. After the second chorus comes a bridge part. It's about 1 minute and 55 seconds into the song. And you're gonna play the same strumming here with the rhythm. You're gonna play B minor 2, A2, E minor 2, and G2. Okay, so that's the same as the pre-chorus play, you can say. You play that for 2 rounds. So 2 rounds of that chord progression. And then after this bridge part, you're gonna play the third chorus, and still no changes there. You play that in the same way as the previous choruses. And after this third chorus comes an instrumental part. Okay, so this instrumental part will be E minor, 1 string around, then F sharp minor, 1 string around, and then G 2 string rounds. This trio, this 3 chords here, E minor 1, F sharp minor 1, and G2, you're gonna play that for 6 chord progression rounds with the strumming, with the rhythm strumming. And after this instrumental kind of outro part that starts about 2 minutes and 30 seconds into the song comes a strange like sonic sound, and it lasts till the very end. Not playable on guitar, perhaps, but yeah, not this guitar anyway. And yeah, this is just a strange sound the last couple of 10-15 seconds or so. So that pretty much wraps it up for Oliver Trees with You. So a nice song to practice your guitar playing with a simple strumming pattern. So give it a try, guys. Hope you subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, and support me here. Until next time, guys, like always, play tuned.